Alright, so for the past week, I have been drawing my favorite black cartoon, anime, and video game characters for this 30-day challenge that I'm doing. And instead of following someone else's prompt for this drawing challenge called Inktober or whatever Tober, uh, I just wanted to draw my own characters. Not my own characters, but I wanted to have my own prompts for this challenge, and I decided to draw my favorite black characters in animation and stuff like that, video games, all that. And it's been really fun. So far, I've drawn Killer Bee from Naruto. I've drawn Miles Morales from the Spider-Verse movie, uh, Black Panther, Katara Korra from the Avatar series, number 5 from Codename Kids Next Door, Oob from Dragon Ball Z, Cyborg from Teen Titans, and Bangalore from Apex Legends. And all these drawings have been super fun to create. But yeah, I think the hardest part of this challenge is trying to figure out how I want to draw the character. I'm kind of struggling a little bit, not that much, but I'm struggling just a little bit on how I want the character to be posed, how I want the composition to be, how I want it to work. I think I did a great job with the number 5 piece. I think she turned out really cool. That's definitely one of my favorite drawings I made in the past week or so. And I like that one specifically because it's more dynamic and more, I guess, it's more full of action, and I think I like that a lot. I want to try and do that for my other drawings coming up this month that I'm going to do. But yeah, I think that's the only thing though. It's trying to come up with successful poses for my characters in new ways. It's hard not to copy a pose that you did from the previous drawing, and so that's where that difficulty comes in for the challenge. But at the same time, it's still fun. The easiest part of all this is definitely the inking part of the process. Once I get to the inking part of the process, it's like just super easy, relaxed. I get to chill out and just ink up the whole illustration, drawing, and the character just comes to life at that point. And even after that, sometimes I put color in the illustration. And the ones I put color in are definitely like one of some of my favorite ones, like the Miles Morales one, the Katara drawing, and the number 5 one. But yeah, I can't wait to draw the rest of these characters in the next few weeks. I've got Static Shock on the list, Frozone from The Incredibles. Let's see who else I got. I got Storm from the X-Men, and a whole bunch of characters. But this challenge has been really fun to do. It's definitely been a challenge. I had to make a drawing every day, but I like that. I'm starting to get in the habit of drawing every day, and hopefully I can carry that on after this month too. Create like some type of drawing every day that I can show to people and stuff. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I just want to tell you though that I am selling these on my website, and the link in the description. So if you like any of these drawings, you can check them out on my website in the description right here. And I can't wait to do more of these drawings. This challenge is super challenging, but it's really fun. So also let me know if you're doing the challenge yourself. It is pretty hard. It is hard, but it's not impossible, you know. So thanks for watching the video. Can't wait to show you the rest of these drawings. I have a bunch of cool characters I want to draw next. And that's pretty much it. So peace.